In India, there are a lot of restrictions on women, girls, as compared to men. What is one such restriction you think it's high time we get rid of? Something that is ridiculous and something that happens in India a lot and we should now get rid of. An unfair restriction on women.
Biggest problem I have with the way women are treated in India is that as soon as you know that you're having a baby girl, there's this sense of worry that's associated to her. It's like, oh my god, you have to worry about so many things, her marriage, her safety, all of those things. So I feel like you should cherish the fact that you're getting a daughter. She's not the biggest worry in your life. There are a lot of things that are more worrisome. So that's one thing I definitely want to change.
There are colleges in Delhi University. You can't access the library at the same hours as guys. Because apparently the authority thinks that if there's a girl and there's a guy in the library, they won't study, they'll make babies or something. Right? So there was this whole campaign going on in Delhi called Pinjra Todo campaign. I think if you've heard of it. So that is something that even if you're giving women education, don't put these restrictions on them that men can stay in the campus till 10, women need to leave by 7. I mean, it's as if saying rapist ko tum khula chhod do and lock women inside. That doesn't make sense, right? You teach your men how to behave. Don't tell us where to go, how to go.
Now I think, especially in urban cities like Mumbai and Delhi, the restrictions are mostly put by ourselves because we would not want to wear short clothes in public because of the way the public reacts to them. I'm sure Delhi police does not tell women not to wear short clothes in a way that it's a law. But we ourselves would not wear short clothes in the fear that we might just be stared at, or we might just be like some girl calling, whatever, it could be anything.
Right.
So I don't think in terms of the urban cities there are any restrictions as such that are put on women. We can wear anything we want to as long as if we don't care about what if there are men staring at us, we don't care about that. If we are putting ourselves at risk of being raped or being assaulted or something, like situations like that, if we're not worried about that, women can actually do anything they want to.
I honestly believe that women are restricted from almost everything, just everything that we want to do. Anything from the way we dress, from the way we talk. Even right now, I said so that wouldn't be acceptable because no, women are not supposed to talk like that. Drinking, smoking on the roads, they'll keep staring at us like we just sinned or something. So I think everything that I do, that every woman does, is like a restriction. You don't do that.
Clothes. Okay. Definitely clothes. I mean, girls get judged for what they wear, which is something that shouldn't happen. I mean, guys can walk around bare-chested and it's absolutely fine. And if we wear something above the knees, it gets pointed at and says it's inappropriate. So basically, one of the major things that needs to be sorted in India.
You do attend the lectures. They go and ask in the colleges also to their professors, do they attend their college? They check their attendance and all that also.
It's like, I don't know why, it's not that women empowerment or something, but I have this feeling that if it's a boy, but you don't have to do domestic housework or something like that. But if it's a girl, you are supposed to do that. That prevails, but I don't think women should, there's no need to prove that you're equal to men or something. You don't need to prove that you are, so don't emphasize that so much, but yeah.
There is just so many for me, like, if a guy abuses, it's fine. If a girl abuses, not cool. If a guy smokes, it's fine. But a guy who's smoking can actually stare at a woman while they're smoking because the woman's smoking, it's weird. It's if a woman talks too much, if she's too outgoing. For me, one of the biggest issues is the pay in the economic sector. I don't like that.
Maybe probably that entire stigma of women not being able to go out at night. Yeah. That's probably one that I feel like should go away now.
For me, what I've noticed is the reckless kind of, like a guy can do reckless stunts on a bike, but a girl is not allowed. So something that I like about speed, I'm not allowed to do it.
The society should stop blaming girls for everything. Like, if we wear short clothes, our parents allow, that's why we wear. You are no one to judge us. If the guy is staring at us, you should stop him. You should not stop us wearing whatever.
Women can't wear this, that, like traveling late at night, you can't go out with boys, that's not right.
Actually, the parents who are strict, I would just advise them that, being too strict can, lead to their children to do something wrong, because strictness also leads to something negativity. So I would just say, trust your children, Okay, give them the freedom. Yes, like let them do what they want to, because this is a time that they enjoy. I mean, it's possibly that their parents wouldn't have given them the time, as generation gap, we can say. So let your children live. Okay, yes, have restrictions, but to a certain limit. So better, I would say, just trust your children, let them live the way they want to, with certain limits.